Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making fractal train renderer in Unity. Okay, uh, we are looking at Kevent Lattice here, which is released by Kagero almost 8 years ago. You just need to download the zip file of this project and import assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we should take a look at this folder fractal train renderer. It has test and the testing is here. Okay, first let me to turn off this fade to skybox effect to be able to see. Okay, now look at this. It is really beautiful. Alright, let's take a look at how we can make this one. If you click on lattice object, this is the actually train maker, which has the columns 400, 400 and extend 200, 200. In here frequency we can change frequency here. Look at this, and here we can say the depth, or even we can make these hills smoother here, and we can change the clamp whenever we want to make it flat or clumping. Here, look at this. In fact, this animator is playing with the clamp parameter to make that effect. Look at this. It is beautiful. And in here we can say, okay, this is the maximum number. We are playing with maximum and minimum number here. Beautiful. And in here we can change the wrap. Look at this. And here elevation to make our hills, bigger or smaller. And in here we can change the material of this guy. For example, let's have a green hills, my favorite color. And also we can say just casting shadows or not. It uses performance, but it's beautiful. And here we can change the offset if you want. Yes, in fact you can make your own train, but it is dynamic train. Look at this. And in here we have lattice scroller. Oh, it works whenever we play the scene. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.